Hello creative designers, my name is Peter and I'm the one taking you through how to convert this looking dashboard for your client to something smart like this one, something very easy to use and the interface that will make your client even love the job that you did. Use the timestamp in the description to jump to that section that you will like to avoid these long stories. But on today's lesson, what we're going to focus on is we are going to remove to set the dashboard. We are going to remove all this and we leave those things which are of important to the client. We are going to edit the sidebar, this admin bar link. We are going also to remove this holding word, and we are also going to add even a link here like this. You see, this is the current dashboard. You will have very simple only on news link on the sidebar. We are also going to edit this admin bar. We'll remove the header when we put this welcome word. The other thing, we are also going to add a link like this. You want to click on it, your client can just type the message or just be directed to a different link. The thing you're going to do is, after installation of the plugin, I'm also going to show you how to set the front end. Because you're going to hide this admin bar on the front end. Also, thing we are going to hide to set is the dashboard. From there, we are also going to set the admin bar that we are going to hide even this header there and add a link also. After that, we are going to set the screen, the login screen, which will remove the WordPress logo, and we add our own logo, and we add the copyright right here. That's the lesson for today. So far, have you liked it? If you have really liked it, hit the like button for this video. That's the lesson for today. Let's get into action and we get it liked. This is my client dashboard. I just created one account for this tutorial. So you can see the client still have so many things which have no help to them, like this overview, and if you close them, client can also still have them and be able to trace some of these things, even the number of pages available a lot. And when it comes to post, you can see pages, client can add some pages. We don't want all that. But even if you come to this screen option and you disable all these, you disable all these, clients still have this screen option and can get them back. You see, so we need to offer this one clean dashboard and very easy to use, a very unique one. So what we need to do is we go to the admin dashboard. I just close this one. This is my dashboard. This is the admin dashboard, and we scroll to plugin on offer. You can see we have these three options: install plugin, add new plugin, plugin editor. Select add new plugin. Come to search section and search for WP admin UI customize. You can see here you have the plugin. It has more than 40,000 active installation. You can see the rating is very good. Out of 59, it scores almost 4.5. That's a good one. And the version we are using was updated 2 years ago, but still worked the best and the good way. You can see, even if you open for more detail, you can see this warning: the plugin has not been tested with your current version. But for me, it works very well. This warning: the plugin has not been tested with your current version. But for me, it works very well. The creator of this plugin decided to stop updating this and created another plugin, but this seemed to be the best so far. So I just close this one and I install the plugin. After successful installation, we activate the plugin. After the plugin has been activated, we are directed back to the plugin installation page. So what we need to do is you come on the sidebar and you find this WP admin UI customize. And on offer, you can see we have a lot of so many options to select. So the first thing we need to do is we come to WP admin UI customize. Here we have to select the role we want to edit. So the one I created was an editor, and you can also even click for this one other account. Yeah, you can select the one you want to edit. For now, I just want to edit for subscriber and editor, and I saved. After that, the next thing we want to go is Frontend. So you can see, let me just get back there and show something. This one, now after even if now we just go to my website, we are in the front page. You can see can't still have this bar here, so we need to hide some of few things. We hide WP generator, and we hide all these, we don't need them. And we come to admin bar, we select hide and admin bar in front end. So after that, let's load and see what we have just created. So we refresh, and you can see the admin bar just disappeared. It's not big magic, but it still works. So we just get to the dashboard. From there, this is now the dashboard. This is the back end, but you see in the front end we don't have this admin bar. So let me close, and we continue to customize each and every. So we don't want the client to have WP notification. Let me show you. I have just opened my website. This is my website myself. You can see this option. We don't want the client to have this type of notification. So what we need to do is we come and hide all update notification. We hide the plugin updates and theme update. This will be of no help to the client. The other thing is we hide this one screen option here and help option. You just hide these two, and the other one is footer, the one that we show. Let me scroll. You can see we have thank you WordPress here, so we need to hide this. We need to hide this footer section here that say thank you for creating with WordPress. So we come here and we edit our new and say we just like maybe something like blog, or maybe a link. You can add anything, a footer. Yeah, write anything, and you can also add copyright. We enter the copyright here. So with that, after that, come here and remove WordPress tag in the title, remove this one, and disable resizing, and we save it. So after successive save, we just come in to this position, to the client dashboard, and we refresh and see the impact. You can see we have now this option here. We have the copyright here, so you can see we even have the version here. So we don't have even the screen option there and help option there. So we need to edit simple step by step until we achieve. Now we are not from general, we have finished the general. Now we get to the dashboard. This is the dashboard itself. Meta prevent refresh. Let's refresh. So after now the refresh, we see we have these options. Now these are the options. This is the elemental overview. This is that grants and all this, and even some of these we hide them. So we come here, we hide welcome, we hide WP forms, we hide elemental overview, site health, at grants activity, and these, and we hide WordPress news, and prevent selected to from rearranging the box. You can disable this one. This is the rearranging of box. You can see, you can, yeah, he still have, you can decide not to, you can offer, you can decide not, your client not to change them. So after that, we save it, we come to the current dashboard, and we refresh. You can see we only have it here. We come admin bar, we click on admin bar. Yeah, this one, this admin bar here. We need to remove some of these few things. Yeah, so let me close there. So from here, you see we are editing user load for editor and subscriber, so it's highlighted. So you come here, this is the left menu. From here, this is all this, and the right menu, which is here. So we come here and we remove this word hoodie. We click here and we remove this word hoodie and say welcome, and you save it, welcome, and you save it. You can also use not even the, you can decide to remove the avatar and leave the name, or you can remove the name and leave the avatar, but I want to just stay the way it is. And you see it is welcome. Yeah, sure. Another thing, we come now here, the menu, we just open it here and you can see the icon. You can just leave it, you don't want this one. About WordPress, when you just come here on this menu here, you can see we have the about WordPress and all these, you want to remove them. And you can also remove this icon, so you just come here and remove. And when you come to logo, WP logo, you just remove. And this blog name, let it be the way it is. Another thing is what update, just customer and the client doesn't have to see the update, no need for them. The comment count, we just remove this one. WP form, client, our client will not need them there. The other one is view post, we remove it and we save it. But if you want to add something on this section, just come, let's first of all view what we have just created. So we come here and we refresh. You can see can't still have this new function here. We need to remove this. So you just come here and remove this new here. Also you can remove this media, move here, remove page, remove donation, remove all these things here. You can leave the user, remove the template, and you can edit the way you want it to, and you save it. So after that, we come here on our client dashboard and we refresh, and you see we only have section for post. Yeah, add a new post. Seem good. You only now here you can see it is welcome client name, and you have this, only this. Seem good. This will be an interface that will be easy for the client to use. Now let's set the sidebars and I show you how to, if you want to add some new things there. Like when you just want to add something on this menu here, you just come on this available menu items and you select the one you want to use. Yeah, you can drag. So I just come here and just select like this custom node. This we can add something like a link. I just direct to my contact page. If customer need help, you say need help, contact admin, and you save it. Now when you just come on this client section and we reload, you see we have this option. Head on click, you see the customer is directed to my contact page and he will type his or her message and send it. Yeah, that's how you can add something there. So from there, just now come to the sidebar. This is the sidebar. Let's view. You can see the option we have for the sidebar and the available item we can add. Let's come to this option here and see the current sidebar. You can see we have very few of them, so we need to edit most of them, and we need to remove some. We add new and we remove some. So you just close here and you come. The client doesn't have to see like this media thing. Customer can the client can add library. Let the client have his or her library. The other one is comment. When you come to post, just remove like something like the tag. Let the customer view all the posts, add new and category. From there, the pages, the client doesn't have to see the pages. If the client need a page, he just contact you. So the other one is template. You don't need the template for the client. Appearance and update for them. We don't need all this. Plugins, we come to plugins and update and all these things. It will not happen for them. So you come to users. Your profile, let the client have the option to add a user. You can come to tools and hide tools. You come to admin. This to whichever chance the client do not have this or any of these things. You come to this and remove them, and you save. Those are the things that the client will have on, and we come here and we refresh. You see the client will have media library, and you can view the comment and come to post. See, and have this option for home. When you come to dashboard, you not have anything dashboard. You will have only this option for dashboard. You see, is it looking good so far? This option here may vary depending on the themes, the theme you are using and the plugin that you are using, but it's up to you to select those things that your client may be in need of. The other thing is we go to Metabox. We refresh the Metabox, all of them. It's good to refresh. So after the refresh, you can see for post we have all this meta, and for pages we have all this meta, and for blogs you see these are the meta that will be available. Let me show you how to edit. To edit, so we can just come to client. I just like it when you just come to post and you select add new post. You can see when it comes to the client, it has a lot of so many options here, which are not of important to them, because like for this, the theme that I'm using offers this option here, which will be of no help to the client. The post template, the client will not know what all this, because we have denied the right for the template. The tag we remove. So what we need to come is this option for post. So you come here. So what I need to come is I come to hide. I hide the format, I hide the tag, I hide the post, I hide the asterisk setting, this one, and I hide this one. And I also come to this section. I can hide the comment section, you can hide that, or you can hide it, or you can come here and for this other one category, collapse, set collapse. You can see they are expanded. We want them collapse. Like customer will have to click on this section for them to select. If you want them collapse, you can select there, and you scroll down and save. After the save, we just go to client dashboard and we refresh. You can see very easy. Customer have this publish option, category, and post attributes. You can remove this post attribute, and featured image is good. Let's come here and select post attribute. Then featured image, let remain like that, except let remain like that, and we scroll and save it. So from there you can refresh the page and you can see that your client will only have these few options, which will make the work for your client so easy. You can see even the copyright section here and the version of the WordPress. You see the dashboard look good and so easy to use. So the other thing, we come to this other option here, for pages. You can select all, yeah, and for blog, nothing to for the client to save, and for donation form, you don't have that plugin. That's the plugin I have, and you save them. You have left the client with those things that are must use. So after that, you come post and pages. Yeah, you can add a new post and a new page. Allow comment if a discussion matter is, you can hide. If you hide it, if you select this option, comment will not be displayed on a new post or selected on selected role. You don't want this one, let it remain like that. You can hide the permalinks. Yeah, this is the permalink. Let me show you. If you type my test post like that, when you click here, and you can see you have this permalink here. Yeah, you see, we don't want to hide that. Let it remain like that. From there, you go to appearance and menu. So you can create a new menu, yeah, so that the client don't interfere with your menu. And then we hide, delete, and this option for delete menu, and you save your client to use the website that you did created for them. The other thing we go to is this login form. Yeah, this is the current login form. You can see it has this WordPress logo and the login credentials. So what you need to do is you come here. We need to change the logo. The logo from here you want to change. You can use the logo URL, the logo title, the logo image URL. So what you need, I will use this image URL. So I just go to my media, I select my library. So after that, I open the library, I select the logo I want to use. Let me use like this one. I can use like this one. So I just come here and copy this link here. I just copy that link, copy, and I come to login, image URL, and I paste, and I save it. So you can see now we have this is our login page. You see it has this one. Let's now add some copyright text here. So I come here and say copyright. I type copyright. I enter the logo and I enter maybe let me enter my blog name. But my blog name is a copyright too, and you save it. Let's view what we have just created. You can see we have now this copyright here, copyright 2, copyright here and copyright too. You can see yeah, we have the logo. That will be the login form. Yeah, we have just set so many things for the client to use, and the other one is to change plugin capability. That's of no use to us. So with that, let's refresh it. So you can see the dashboard seems so easy and good for your client. So let's log out and say log out. So you see you have the logo and your client can log in with this, and you have this copyright text there. So client have only to log in and will be directed to this screen and good in dashboard interface to use. That's how you create a clean dashboard for your client. Was it a good lesson? If you really did learn something, consider subscribing to this channel because I'll be releasing more and more video each and every day, each and every time when I make it. Yeah, remember to hit the like button for this video, share it with your friend, and turn on the notification for you to be notified whenever I post a new video. Thank you. That was the lesson for today.